Hi unique people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making these delicious cookies that your kids is going to love so much. Not only your kids, the whole family is going to love this recipe. So let's get into the main video. Welcome back guys. Here are all my ingredients. That is 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of cornstarch which is corn flour, half cup of vegetable oil, 125 gram of butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 egg and half teaspoon vanilla flavor. Here I'll be creaming my butter with the icing sugar which is powdered sugar. I'll use my mixer to cream them together before adding in the vegetable oil. After creaming them for some seconds, I'll add in the vegetable oil. Then continue to mix. I'll add in my 1 egg, the vanilla flavor, half teaspoon vanilla flavor. Now I'm okay with the mixture. I'll mix in my 2.5 cups of flour with 1 cup of cornstarch, so I'll mix it together before adding the both of them together, which is the butter mixture and the flour mixture. I'll be adding in the flour bit by bit. I'm not going to add everything at once. So I'll use my hand to combine everything together into a dough. So you can see we've gotten our dough. I'll cut quarter of it, keep it aside for the chocolate cookies. Then I'll work with this for now. I'll put it on my baking paper, then use my rolling pin to stretch it out. After stretching it out, you can cut it to any shape of your choice. You can use your cookies cutter, but I'll be using my knife and fork to decorate this. So I'm trying to get a square shape and the edge should be smooth. That is why I cut all the rough edge away. Then I'll use this fork to give it the line design. You can give it any design of your choice. You use the fork to poke the up, any design at all. If you follow this recipe, you are going to love these cookies. It's something you should be making for your kids, for their school snacks. They will surely love it. If you make this recipe, I really want to get your feedback on this, because it's the best cookies recipe ever. Sugarless, very crunchy. Just give it a try. So here I'll be mixing the chocolates on. I add in 1 tablespoon of pure cocoa powder. Then I'll be adding half teaspoon of vegetable oil. That vegetable oil is to enable the cocoa powder to mix in very well. So the next thing for us to do is to stretch it out again and cut it into the same shape. Can see I give it the same design. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. So it is ready to go into the oven now. After 20 minutes, our delicious crunchy cookies is out of the oven. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. And to our new subscriber, you are welcome to the family. Kindly share this video with your family and friends. See you all in my next one. Bye.